Welcome back to a new tutorial about specialized cells. We are going to continue talking about specialized cells and how are they adapted to their function, but this time we will be concerned with digestion. So, our tutorial is about specialized cells for digestion. By the end of this tutorial, you guys will be able to describe how cells involved in digestion are adapted to their specific function. Let's first begin with what is digestion in general. Digestion is the process by which large food molecules are digested into small food molecules called nutrients. Digestion can occur by two means, either by the movement of the digestive organs and usually happens by the muscles, and it is called peristalsis, or by the enzymes. However, how are the cells that secrete these enzymes are adapted for their function? Enzymes are made by the cells of the pancreas. These enzymes are proteins, and proteins in general are made in the ribosomes. Thus, the cells of the pancreas that produce enzymes are adapted to this function by having many ribosomes. On the other hand, how are the muscles that produce peristalsis movement adapted to their function? Peristalsis movement occurs by the muscles that line the small intestine to squeeze food along. But muscles require a lot of energy to produce movement. And since we know that energy is generated by the mitochondria, so the wall of small intestine is adapted to this function by having many mitochondria. Finally, how are the cells that absorb the small food molecules are adapted to their function? What you first need to know, guys, is that small food molecules must be absorbed for the nutrients to enter the blood. So, the cells that line the small intestine are adapted for this function by having many microvilli, which are tiny folds, as you guys can see. These folds or adaptations increase the surface area of the cell, and more folds means more spaces for food molecules.